One thing I really wanted to showcase on this tour is the unsung story of this music. Some of the characters that did not really get heralded and honored in the way some of the other figureheads of the music have. And not to discredit them or to take away from their shine, but this first selection comes from a woman by the name of Mamie de Dunes. And Jelly Roll Morton cites her as the first blues player, blues piano player he ever heard. The first blues in his life came from this woman. And it's called the 219 Blues. It's a theme he finds in these blues songs. And that's, that's the foundation of jazz right there. It's the blues. That's blues and ragging it up. And so it's remembered through the music. And they say that Mamie was the inspiration for Jelly Roll and what he coined as the Spanish tinge, or what the big Creole influence in this jazz, what made it special. So I'm going to try to recreate it the best I can. And all that we know about Mamie is that she was the daughter of a famous Creole of color by the name of Rudolph de Dunes, that was a poet and an activist, that was a civil rights leader fighting against the segregation laws passed in the late 19th century. And that she was a sex worker, and that she worked in the red light district. And this song is about a train that took gals out of New Orleans to go work other brothels and then bring them back into the city. So this is the 219 Blues.